Hey there! Is your Panasonic TV causing you frustration with that pesky red light blinking? Worry not. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps on how to fix Panasonic TV red light blinking, turning your TV woes into an easy fix. Whether it's a quick reset or identifying more complex issues, this guide is here to help you get your TV back up and running in no time. Step 1. Understand the red light codes. Panasonic TVs have a built-in diagnostic feature that uses red light blinks to signal specific issues. Begin by counting the number of blinks to determine what problem you're facing. Refer to your TV model's manual for a comprehensive list of blink codes, as different models might have varying interpretations. Understanding these codes can save you time and direct you to the root of the problem. Step 2. Perform a soft reset. A soft reset can resolve minor glitches and restore your TV's functionality. To perform a soft reset, start by unplugging your Panasonic TV from the power source. Wait approximately 5 minutes to ensure it fully discharges. Afterward, plug the TV back in and power it on. This step often resolves issues like temporary software glitches that cause the red light to blink. Step 3. Check power supply connections. Faulty power supply connections can lead to the red light blinking issue. Ensure all cables are securely connected and that there are no visible signs of wear or damage. Check that your power outlet is functioning correctly by testing it with another device. If the connections seem secure and the outlet works fine, but the issue persists, you may need to try a different power cable or contact Panasonic support for further guidance. Step 4. Examine the remote control. Sometimes a malfunctioning remote control can indirectly trigger the red light blinking problem. Remove the batteries from your remote and press each button to discharge any remaining charge. After a few minutes, reinsert the batteries or replace them with new ones. Test your remote to confirm it isn't inadvertently sending signals to your TV, causing the issue. Step 5. Check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware might also lead to operational issues in your Panasonic TV. Check for any available firmware updates by visiting the Panasonic website with your TV model number or accessing the TV menu if possible. Updating your TV with the latest firmware can resolve bugs and improve its performance, potentially stopping the red light from blinking incessantly. Step 6. Seek professional assistance. If none of the above steps fix the red light blinking, the issue may require professional intervention. Contact Panasonic's customer support or a qualified TV repair technician to diagnose and resolve complex hardware or software issues. Attempting repairs without adequate experience can sometimes cause further damage, so it's best to seek expert help. Don't let a blinking red light on your Panasonic TV ruin your entertainment experience. By following this guide on how to fix Panasonic TV red light blinking, you can tackle minor issues yourself and identify when it's time to call in the experts. With these steps, your TV will be back in action and you can return to enjoying your favorite shows without interruption. Remember, understanding and patience are key in resolving these technical hiccups efficiently.